Hi, I'm Quaps. Today, I'm here to show you how to fix this error. Okay. You might be seeing many videos and you have tried the hands on it, but still it's still not working. Trust me, this tutorial is gonna work for you. So just follow the process. Never skip. Just follow and concentrate. Follow the process. Okay. So first of all, you need to open your account, your YouTube channel, then you come to the dashboard. You know already. Then you come to your monetization. So this area, we are going to fix it now. So first of all, we need to click on fixed in AdSense. Okay, so we click in AdSense, then it will take us to our AdSense account. So then if this appeared, just click on I confirm I have freed and I'm meeting the AdSense policies. Okay, it says your account wasn't approved, so just click on this, then resubmit it again. So when you resubmit it, come to account, then click on close account. Okay, we need to close the account. Okay, then close the account. So just tap on it. It says, okay, so we check it, then check all the boxes. Okay, so click on other, there is no reason, then close the account completely. So this will close the account completely. So meaning the email used in attached to your YouTube account, you can't use that same email again. So now you need to create a new email. Sorry, you need to create a new Gmail account. Okay, so you have to create a new Gmail account to continue this process. So now that's how we're gonna do it. I have many Gmail accounts, so by you watching this tutorial, you need to create a new Gmail account that has not been used to attach to any AdSense account. Okay, so me, I have many mails, so I'll just use one. By you can create a new one. Okay, so I'm going to use a new mail. Let me check the mail.